So let's get our new clamp. And the new ones, you can see they pull, you pull them tight, and then you bend them over and back over, and then you bend these over. The old ones were a little different than that, but so basically what's going to happen is they're going to set in there, and we're just going to have to pull it pretty tight. We got to get it. They seem to be a little bigger than the old ones, but let's see what we can do. Okay, you can see it's in all the way around. Now we're going to want to pull it tight. We'll get a pair of pliers and pull that tight. Okay, I'm just going to take I got a pair of Robo Grip pliers, and I'm just going to hook it on here and pull it tight, and then bend it up, and then that gets bent over, and tap that down. Okay, I'm just going to take a punch and just tap it down. So now, and then we just bend these tabs over. I'm going to go ahead, this is way too long. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it back here. Just take a pair of lineman pliers and I'm going to cut it, because you don't need it that long. That's just going to catch. There, I scored it there. So we'll go ahead and tap that down. Bend the tabs over.